The West Coast Marine Stewardship Council is an independent, non-profit organization which sets standards for sustainable fishing along the west coast of South Africa in order to combat the risks of resource depletion. This new industry initiative has adopted voluntary codes and industry standards and aims to serve as a solution to protect the fish stocks and waters of the west coast. Together, along with scientists and other companies in the fishing industry, Anchor Management has researched and discovered what the best practices are to ensure that fish populations are fished sustainably. Members of the West Coast Stewardship Council are enabling the waters of the West Coast to serve as a breeding ground for pilchards by pledging to stop fishing in these zones, as well as adopt responsible fishing practices and sustainable yield. This will allow young pilchards to grow and thrive in order to migrate into deeper waters. All fishing companies that follow these practices will have our stamp of approval on their products. This helps consumers make better decisions when choosing which brands to consume. The world's oceans cover more than 70% of the planet's surface, regulate the climate, supply the oxygen we need to survive, and are home to a huge variety of animal and plant life. The health of our oceans is key for all humans' environmental, social, and economic well-being. Oceans and the animals and plants that exist in them are at risk due to overfishing, illegal fishing, climate change, pollution, and bycatch from global fisheries. 34.2% of global fish populations have been overfished past their sustainable limits. This problem will not only have a huge impact on the ocean species and ecosystems, but also on communities and businesses. Resource depletion has significant negative consequences for the environment, society, as well as businesses. Compliance to current regulations is poor, as businesses can make more profit by non-compliance and fines, opposed to compliance. There is a risk that competitors and illegal fishing will kill out the pilchard population. The Council has therefore created a solution for resource depletion by creating a structure to protect the pilchard population as well as society and the environment. Two of the largest pilchard fishing companies operating in the West Coast have already signed to be partners in the initiative. Anchor Management is proud to contribute to corporate sustainability and is hopeful that the initiative will encourage better buying decisions from consumers in the free market system. Overall, this contributes to protecting the oceans and marine life and ensuring sustainability for future generations. We encourage our stakeholders to support and understand the importance of this initiative. Anchor Management will on a periodic basis monitor how the efforts of this council have contributed towards the restoration of the oceans. Along with this, we also aim to communicate these findings to society. In due time, we aim to invest in increased scientific engagement and improved research in order to better understand and monitor our oceans. West Coast Marine Stewardship Council will be hosting campaigns to create further awareness and to influence fisheries and businesses to operate sustainability and to support our label. So what can consumers do to help? Eat sustainable seafood. Choose products with the MSC Blue label and enjoy eating seafood with the knowledge that you have made a positive choice to support sustainable fisheries. When you buy fish from sustainable fisheries, you're encouraging more retailers to stock sustainably sourced seafood and more fisheries to improve their ways and become certified. Fin to tail cooking. Sustainability is also about minimizing waste and not just about how many fish are being caught. Choose a brand like Anchor Management that reduces its waste by selling what does not go into the can to other businesses, such as Petco Cats and Dog Food Ltd.